Welcome back to Accidental Garage, and we are back working on some more wiring on the 1954 Plymouth. Today I am trying to get the dome light red wire connected into the ignition. I've already pulled out one red wire. Unfortunately, that was the wire that goes to the brake light switch from the ignition switch. That is also red. So we're still working on that, and so let's go ahead and let me bring you in and let me show you what we're doing. So I'm putting the light switch back together, and it's only held in by this. Hey, it went in there. How about that? How about that? Okay, so the light switch is back together, and we should be getting the ignition switch back this week. We got the dome light put in, and we got the headlight switch replaced going into the headlights. Might come in this week and kind of check the other wires on the other switches to make sure those are good, but I think we're getting to the end of this wiring situation, and I'm looking eager to bring this all back together.